We paid tithes for over 20 years, but when my mother died, no one from the church showed up.
So let's make this meal. Okay.
So welcome to Cook with Grace Kiswell. So sweetie, welcome back. In today's video we are making spinach pasta. So all that you need to know about the cooking, I already wrote them in details and I also explained them in description. Okay, so feel free to tell me where you're not getting it right, or tell me what eggs you want me to make. Okay, sweeties, so let's get back to the video. But before then, please always keep your environment clean, because cleanliness is next to godliness. I just want to use this opportunity to welcome back my return subscriber. Thank you for always tuning in, and also to the new people that joined the family, thank you once again for joining this amazing family. And to those watching without subscribing, please click on the subscribe button, subscribe, share, get notified anytime I post a new video. Okay, sweetie, so let's go back to the story. I believe a house of God is a place whereby we worship and feel joy, because I could remember David in the Bible is always glad anytime they say let us go to the house of the Lord. So a house of the Lord needs to be a place of rescue, a place of peace, a place of harmony, a place of where love is being shared among us. So I come across this story and I would like to share it with you. And I want you to share your thoughts about it in this video. So the story goes like this. A young woman sparked a viral conversation online after sharing emotional account of how her family was allegedly abandoned by, I will not mention the name of the church, so sorry, I'm holding the name of the church, but it's been abandoned by a church despite more than 2 decades of faithful service and tithing. The woman revealed that her parents dedicated 20-something years of their lives to the church, paying tithes and actively participating in the church activities. However, during their darkest hour, when her mother fell gravely ill, the support they expected never came. "We spent all we had trying to save my mom," she wrote, "but eventually she passed. Not one person from the church attended her funeral." That's not good at all. Not one person gave us even a dime. Oh my God, I can feel your pain actually. She also shared that her elder sister, who had been heavily involved in the church choir, suffered serious health issue from singing while unwell, but to the point of coughing, sorry I can't mention that word, but to the point of coughing out that red liquid substance. Yet, instead of offering help, the same church officials allegedly called her mother to come and take her daughter home, providing no support or compassion. That's too bad actually. That's very, 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 very bad. I think a church should be a place whereby if you needed a help, you should come to. And that is why you see that the Western world, they are doing better than those people back home, because they understand what it means to be a worshiper of Christ. Not only them, both the boys and Muslim, the people that understand the scripture actually see them giving alms a lot, helping the less privileged or the sick. These are the people that the Bible regards as the children of God. So I'm so sorry about this. Let's continue with the story. Okay, say providing no support or compassion. Now the church in question is here to respond to the allegation this lady said about them. This story is all about demanding church reflecting on how they treat their members, not just in life but also in the most valuable moments of everybody. This woman's story stands as a painful reminder faith and community are meant to go hand to hand, especially when it matters the most. So I think from where the story ends, as a church or as a religious practitioner, I think your faith and the community, which is the church, the people which you share the same faith with, needs your help, more especially when they are in their vulnerable time, like when they are hungry, and they run to place of worship. I think all the place of worship needs to do is to accommodate them, feed them, for that little moment. It's not that it's everlasting, for that temporal time. So I think a place of worship needs to help people when they are in their vulnerable time. Nobody wishes to find himself in their vulnerable time, but it do happen, okay? It do happen. But what helped people that share the same faith with you? What was their contribution towards you when you are at your vulnerable time? I hope you love the recipe and you'll be giving it a try. See you all my next. So I love you all. Bye bye.